Are you looking for a weight loss plan but struggling to keep a handle on your grocery budget? What if I said that in this video, I'm going to give you a meal plan that is designed to lose weight and yet it does not break your bank? Hi, I'm Shom, your bestie and a weight loss coach. Having lost 30 pounds in 12 weeks, I got trained by One-to-One Diet Australia, and now I help men and women lose weight easily and permanently. So today I'm going to share with you a 1200 calorie meal plan on a $50 grocery budget. I used an AI tool, Chat GPT, to do this. I will show you what I bought from Woolworths with $50 in my pocket. So if you like contents like this, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. So now let's get started. 1200 calories may not be accurate for you. So to find out your caloric requirement, head on to Calorie Calculator and enter all your details such as your age, height, weight and activity level. The link is in the description. Now you will know exactly how much you need to consume to lose weight. In my grocery list, I added more plant protein than animal protein. I've linked my grocery list below so you can download it for free. Now there's also another free gift for you at the end of this video. So stay till the end and grab your free bonus. Now let's go shopping. I am all done with my grocery shopping. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if I made it to $50 budget. So yeah, I am back from my grocery shopping and I'm beaming because I actually made it. So I got a bag of spinach, one bag of carrots, 2 sweet potatoes, I got 1 zucchini, some cucumbers, bananas, chicken, 2 dozen eggs, and tofu, trio peppers, and a can of lentils. Now that's quite a lot of food for one person for 1 week, and I am sure that I'm going to have a lot of leftovers. I don't think I can finish all of this, but look at that spread. So you've got chicken, so all my protein sources are the chicken and the eggs, as in the animal protein. And then for my plant protein, I've got the hard tofu, I've got lentils, and rest of it is all vegetables. There's fruits. I'll just jump here to make a little disclaimer. Now, when I say $50 covers your weekly grocery, I'm assuming that you already have some pantry staples like the sauces and spices. But if you're just starting out from scratch, then needless to say, $50 won't cover everything. Here's what I already had in my pantry. So I had the extra virgin olive oil, salt, malt vinegar. These are some of the other stuff that I had in my pantry. I had the Greek yogurt, some almond milk, and the sourdough bread. This week, my groceries costed me $52, and I'm pretty happy with the spread I got. Now, I mentioned there's a free gift for you at the end of the video, and here it is. Now, to make your life easier, I've created a sample meal plan for 1200 calories that has a combination of both plant and animal protein. The link will be down below in the description, so go grab your free copy. In the next episode of this series, I will show you what I ate in a week using everything that I got from Woolworths this week. So please subscribe and don't miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love. Bye.